My goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make boozy banana pudding. Yes guys, we're going to make banana pudding, but we're going to make it boozy. Guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, subscribe, and tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so we're going to go over what we're going to need first. Bananas, of course. You're going to need some vanilla wafers. Most people use vanilla pudding, the instant vanilla pudding. I like to use banana cream. It just gives it that, luscious banana flavor. So I like to use that, but you can use vanilla. You'll need some milk. In this case, we're going to use Bacardi light rum. You're going to need some heavy whipping cream, milk, and that's about it. We have a few other ingredients that we'll get to a little later. Now, let me say this. First of all, I'm going to make this in a couple of single servings. You can easily put this in a casserole dish as well. So I'm just making a small amount. Feel free to increase the amount. Also, too, if you have kids, you want to either omit the booziness or make a different batch. If you don't want the booze in it, you can just simply make it as I am going to direct. Just leave this out. Real simple, real easy. Okay, guys, let's get busy. So the first thing we want to do is combine our pudding with our milk and our rum, and we're going to mix that just until it thickens some, just until it thickens. Let's get this in the bowl. I think that went flying across the room. Okay, set this aside. And we're going to use a cup of milk. And I'm going to use about 1/4 of a cup of the light rum here. You can use more or less according to your taste. And again, you can also omit it. But this is boozy banana pudding, guys. All right, so we're going to get this blended just until it's thickened, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're going to give it a little taste. Woo! Nice and boozy, delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and let it get cold and set a little bit more, and we're going to make our whipped topping. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, while our pudding is in the refrigerator, we will slice our banana and we will also crush our vanilla wafers. Now, as I mentioned before, I am making just a small 2 single servings, guys. So I don't need a lot. So right now I'm just going to cut up 1 banana. And if I find I need more, I'll go back in at that time. I don't think so, but you never know. You always want to reserve a couple of slices for your garnish at the end. And guys, this makes an excellent New Year's Eve dessert. Yes, it does. You have a lot of heavy food and this will just top it off, especially going into the evening and it's already boozy. Yes. Okay, guys. So we're going to get this sliced up and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, for our crushed vanilla wafers, I am simply going to put a few in this bag here. And we're just going to take the bottom of this glass or jar rather, and crush them. You can crush them by hand if you like. Any way you want to crush them is fine. Again, you want to make sure you reserve a couple of nice ones, because you know, when you get these vanilla wafers, sometimes they be broke up already in the box. So you want to go through and get a couple of pretty ones, a couple of real pretty ones, just to make sure. And I'm going to take 4 out, You have nice ones for garnish. And I think this should be enough. That way I get to eat the rest of the box. We'll sit that over there. Just zip it up. Getting mostly air out of your bag helps when you get ready to crush them. Kind of put them in a single layer, guys, and just go in and crush them. Okay, we have these all crushed. Okay, guys, we are back and we are getting ready to make our whipped topping. Now, you can absolutely, positively, 100% buy some Cool Whip. You can buy the spray kind. I don't even know what you call it because I don't use it, but y'all know what I mean. You know, the kind you just, and you're done. You can easily do that. I just prefer to make mine. So, in order to do so, we've got heavy cream. We're going to need a little cream of tartar. I've got some powdered sugar here and a little vanilla extract. It is not hard. You can actually whip it by hand. It doesn't take long. I use whipped cream in my coffee a lot, and in the mornings I'll just pour a little whipped cream in a smaller bowl and just whip it by hand. It does not take a long time. The cream of tartar kind of stabilizes it to get those nice, good stiff peaks. I don't need a lot. This is probably going to make more than I need. And if I need more, guess what, guys? I can go in and make more. But just to make sure, I'd rather have more than less. So just to make sure. And I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of this vanilla in here right now. Just a drop. And just a couple of shakes of the cream of tartar. And guys, I will leave all of the ingredients and measurements and things in the description as well. But just a couple of shakes of the cream of tartar. Now, I'll be adding the powdered sugar in a little bit at a time as we go along so that we won't deflate our whipped topping. Okay, guys. So you just want to beat this. You have to be careful not to overbeat it. That's the most thing because it'll turn to butter. So then you have to start all over again, which I have had to do quite often. Okay, guys. And guys, you'll know when you have stiff peaks because it should not move very much. Now this is a soft peak. I'm going to whip it until it gets to stiff peaks. And you see me tilting the bowl to the side. That's because I don't have a lot in here and it's easier to mix if I tilt it to the side. Okay, it looks like we're there. Let's see. Now you guys know the test, don't you? I know you all have heard the test. I know y'all have. Come on now, turn the bowl upside down. If it don't come out, you're done. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! All righty, guys. We got stiff peaks. Hey, all right, yes. Okay, now we're going to go and get our pudding out of the refrigerator and get it mixed. I've got to taste this, guys. You know I do. I got to taste this. Let's see. Woo! See, I can go back in with my same finger because I'm not cooking no more with this beater. Lord have mercy, guys. I can't wait to make this. Delicious. Yes. Okay, y'all saying go fix the dish. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now we are going to layer our pudding in our little cups. So we're going to start off with pudding in the bottom. And I should have gotten a small knife, but that's okay. I won't need it next time. Then we're going to go in with some banana slices. And guys, you can layer it any way you want. I just happen to like to layer it this way. Then we're going to go in with some of our cookie crumbs. That's a pretty big chunk. I'll just set that aside. Now, wipe my hand off. We're going to go in with a little of our whipped topping. And you can also use bigger containers as well. I just like these. It's just my personal preference. This is the way I like it. But you can switch it up. Like I said, you can layer it in a casserole dish. Any way you like to do it, guys. Anyway. It's all up to you guys. Ooh, you can see it's still stiff peak. It's not falling. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with another layer of pudding. These are looking amazing. We're going to decorate them with just a couple of cookies here. Uh-oh. We lost that banana. Okay, guys, they are all done and looking good. Yes. Okay, let's get ready for our taste test. Okay, guys, we are ready for our taste test. But take a look, take a look, take a look. Ooh, the sun is shining in. Sorry about the glare, guys, but I can't control the sun. Oh my goodness, don't they look delicious? Yes. Guys, and you could smell it. The banana, it smells rich and thick and creamy, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Let me go in and taste this. Yes. I need to make sure I get a little of the cookies in there. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Delicious, guys. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Guys, if you could taste the bananas in here with the cookies, this is so good. And you know I taste the rum. Come on now. Oh my goodness, guys. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. Guys, leave me some comments. Do you like banana pudding? How about the boozy part? Come on now. You need to try this. And as you can see, you don't even need to make a big tray. You can make a small portion. So when you're done, you're done. What a wonderful New Year's Eve dessert this would make. Guys, oh my goodness, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. I really would. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is going to be gone in a minute. If you are not subscribed to me, what you waiting on, guys? Go ahead and subscribe and tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. And guys, I have channel memberships. Everyone is welcome, and all the support you give me goes right back into the channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. For those of you who are already subscribed, those of you who are already channel members, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.